Hi there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. I have something for you that might help you with forgiveness. And that's just to realize that the person or people who are treating you badly were doing so because that's them. It's about them. It's not about you. When you're on the receiving end, of course it feels like, oh my God, that person was really hurting me, or my family was really hurting me. That's how they treated me. Of course it was about me, but really, it's about them. So sometimes you can just do the TAT pose and convey to yourself what I'm about to say. This was about them, based on who they were, what they were conscious of, and their life situation. That was actually the best they could do in all those moments. No, they couldn't have done better. If they could have really done better, they would have done better. It's just them being the messed up people they were at the time. So you can also do TAT with the thought, or just realize to yourself, people can evolve, they can get nicer, they might not this whole lifetime, but the point is that their expression, how they treated you, was an expression of who they were. It wasn't a reflection of who you are or were. So just doing TAT, just doing the TAT pose with the thought, hey, the way they treated me wasn't actually about me. It was an expression of who they were. That might help you with forgiveness. And also you can use it for self-forgiveness too. You can do this just to realize something, because just the TAT pose delivers info to your whole system, okay? So you can do the pose with the thought, I apologize, and hope that everyone I hurt will realize that that was the best I could do in the moment for who I was, what I was conscious of, and my life situation. So that may help you forgive yourself. Okay, hope this helps you out. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.